Aerospace Day at the IAE show. And because of the static displays, there's going to be a very short amount of material. It's way back here. Let's see. Nifty little cargo displays.
A selection of beverages and tasty snacks are available for purchase in the lobby.
Let's see. All right. This is the Paladin. I believe it is. Yeah, the ANVIL Paladin. So basically, it's gunship of version of.
Yeah, they've done a good job.
Oh.
Knowing their full history makes what they're showing extra impressive.
And is a bold. So it is a gunship. Lots of very large missiles and rockets. It does not have the cargo area like God, was it the Asgard? Got quite an armory and armor set up. This is station. Oh, so this is probably the gunner seats. It has several remote turrets. Little resting table. A restroom. Ah, that's interesting. Considering, oh, I've literally got my mask on, but it shows me that face. So that isn't working. And let's see. 2 beds. Area. Storage. So crew area. More crew area. Engineering. And that would be the bridge. And it is locked. So, fairly big ship. Probably at least 5-6 crew. It's quite a large ship. 2 large external turns off to left and right. Looks like some guns. Yeah. Several guns look like they're on the turrets. Because that's a belly turret. I can't see a dorsal turret. I will have to rent that one to see how it works. Looks cool. But ANVIL's usually all, you know, for fighting and either policing or military. So, and this is the F8 Lightning. It's a great single fighter ship. It's a heavy fighter. You get like for 6 guns, 8 guns, all slaved to the pilot. It's got heavy armor. It's got a decent flight model, so it's fairly nimble and active. Pretty good for fighting, but it's also a little slow. It's got some range issues, but otherwise not a bad fighter. This is the Hornet Mark II. I believe this is the one you have to physically buy with real money, and you can't buy it in-game. But it is a great fighter. I think it's class medium? Yeah, medium fighter. So 6 forward-facing guns, all slaved to the pilot. You can run a co-pilot who can run the top turret and missiles. So very interesting fighter, very durable, as most of the Anvil Hornets are. So pretty good a fighter, especially if you're doing arena stuff. But that is everything that's in the showroom today. So you should have some decent Anvil items in the kiosks to rent for the day. So I would strongly suggest doing that before you go and buy the ship, fly it, see how you like it, and see how well it works for you. All right. Thanks for listening to me. I'll talk to you later.